hello, how are you? Today we are going to be sculpting these two hand sculptures out of resin filled with dried flowers and plants and even a little thistle in there. I also made a couple coasters just throughout the process of making these because there's always excess resin and I can never waste it, so I always have a coaster on the go. I decided to pour this one twice just because I learned so much the first time I did it, so you can see that process if you like right now. Thanks for watching. I just unmolded these hands and I think they look really cool. But in the meantime, while I work on this, I also wanted to pour a second one just because I'm kind of sure that I want to keep one for myself and then I'll have one that I'll try to sell as well. So one thing that I did want to mention that I learned the first time is that you don't want to fill up your mold completely right away. I'm just going to pour enough resin to fill up the fingertips so that all the resin and the weight and the gravity, just because I'm not using like a classic silicone mold, I'm using a latex mold. So I have to be really careful on how I pour this so it doesn't get any disfigured. There's a lot that can be fixed in the sanding process. I have a lot of tools for sanding, so I'm not really too worried. It's really cold in here, so this like resin is super thick. So gotta stir it for a little bit extra long. So I'm really excited on how these guys turned out. I think they're so cute. I love hands. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I'm just obsessed with them. Whenever I see like a hand sculpture at the thrift store or something, I have to pick it up. So I'm really excited to use these as maybe like a business card holder. They're kind of perfect size for that. I don't even know, but I think they're really cute. So excited. The light reflecting through these looks like rainbow. I love shaped resin so much just because it reflects light in the most unique ways. I am obsessed. And I'm really excited to continue working on my next project, which is adorable. Here's a hint, it's my favorite animal, and I'm also pouring 2 of that one as well. I just finished pouring 1, and the next one I want to add some gold in it because I've been having so much fun with gold inks recently. It's so satisfying. It unfortunately doesn't pick up that well on camera, but in person, she glistening. So that's it for this video.